Roderick C. Marshall, City Councilor, Iligan City, and grateful appreciation for his exemplary commitment, contribution, and dedication to ensure the successful hosting of the 3rd DGMI National Convention on March 23 and 24, 2013 at Maros Kusina, Iligan City. Given this 24th day of March 2013, Iligan City, Mindanao, Philippines. Signed by Lieutenant Rogelio N. Pablo Sina, retired Philippine Army, Prime Minister Alberto N. Pangong Tinoy, Chief Elder, Jumbo Squad, Wonderstruck. So next, I'm calling Bro Alberto M. Pangong Tinoy, this Wonderstruck, to come over the stage and receive his flag of session as I read his flag. The Generous Guardian Ministry Incorporated awards flag of appreciation to Brother Alberto M. Pangong and Tinoy, who is Generous Club Wonderstruck, in acknowledgement and sincere appreciation for her dedication and commitment as Chief Elder, Council of Elders, Jumbo Guardians Ministry Incorporated, given the 24th day of March 2013 on the occasion of 3rd DGMI National Convention, Iligan City, Mindanao, Philippines, signed by Lieutenant Rogelio. Thank you. So next, I'm calling Brother Pibis N.F. Ax El Surya to come over the stage. As already, Jumbo Guardians Ministry Incorporated awards flag of appreciation to Brother Pibis N.F. Ax El Escorial in acknowledgement and sincere appreciation for your dedication and commitment as Federal Executive Minister, Guardians Federal Confederation, Mindanao, given the 24th day of March 2013 on the occasion of the 3rd DGMI National Convention, Iligan City, Mindanao, Philippines, signed by Lieutenant Rogelio N.F. Sina, retired Philippine Army, Prime Minister, also signed by Alberto Master Founder Pangong and Pinoy, Chief Elder, Jumbo Squad, Wonderstruck. This flag of appreciation will be received with the representation of the barangay captain of Villaverde. Nani-advise si Nipaps Escorial, since Nipaps Escorial is teaching his wife in Mocas. Next is I'm calling Brother Pangkilo and Eteros to come over the stage to receive his flag of appreciation. And Eteros, please come over the stage. Jumbo Guardians Ministry Incorporated award this flag of appreciation to Brother Pangkilo and Eteros, J. Pepito, an acknowledgement and sincere appreciation for your dedication and commitment as Federal Executive Minister, Guardians Federal Confederation, Visayas, given this 24th day on March 2013 on the education of the 3rd DGMI National Convention, Iligan City, Mindanao, Philippines, signed by Lieutenant Rogelio N. Cicina, retired Philippine Army, Prime Minister. Signed also by Alberto Pangong Pinoy, Chief Elder, Jabal Squad, Lancaster.